What is up, YouTube? This is Lucifer, and this is my first YouTube video. And yeah, so I can't really decide what to do for the first one, so I just decided to do a review of the HyperX double shot PBT keycaps, the pudding style. And I saw good reviews on these. I just got this keyboard, the Corsair K68, and I thought I would try these out since I really love the LEDs. It looks like they're glowing. So yeah, this is the English version, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm gonna do a sound test so you guys can hear what it says. Well, I mean, hear what it sounds like, and yeah, I'll show you some modifications as well, because as you can see, there's two keys missing, which this one should be off too, but I'll show you what I did to fix it. So there's three keys that are not compatible with some keyboards, like the Corsair K68, and I'm gonna show you how to fix that after I do the sound test. And yeah, so just enjoy the video here. So I'm gonna get a little close here and just start typing. Okay, so that's just a quick little sound test there, me typing. And just for you that don't know, you can't really hear in the video probably, but there is a sound difference between these keys and the factory keys that come on the keyboard. So if you don't want a difference in sound, then do not get these keys. And they feel real nice. I would say they feel better than the factory keys that come on here. So and then one con, I guess, is if you press down too hard on some keys, or if you press down too hard on some keys, it doesn't really have that clicky noise on some. So I don't know if you can hear that, but some of the keys, so basically just take your picker here and kind of pry it up a little bit and don't stick it down as far, and then you'd get that sticky, you'd get the clicky noise in. So yeah, so going back to these keys here that are missing, so these would not fit at all, like they would just be crammed. So this is the function key, and so what I did was I kind of sanded down the sides. Sorry, it's kind of blurry. So I sanded down the sides and basically to get it so they would fit, and you can't really notice when they're on. So the front and the back are the same, but yeah, so I just sanded down there. Didn't take that long at all. So, and then here's the other key. Just this one side needed to be sand, the other side didn't, so it's missing. But when you put them on, so I'll put them on here. And then put the other one on. There you go, so they work fine. See, you can see they're not touching. You can't really tell, so it's not a big issue. I just wanted them all on. Spacebar you cannot put on. I've tried. There's it's like just really mismatched the holes under there. So, and this one works perfect. So yeah, so you just gotta play with them to get those to fit. And so yeah, that's about it. Hopefully this video has helped. These are really awesome keys. I love them so far. When I first had them in the dark, I had my lights on dim, and so it just didn't look as good. I was like, okay, what the hell? And I finally found out, I didn't find out, but I noticed that it was not all the way up, and so there's two, and then there's three, and so that looks a lot better. Yeah, so my next videos are probably going to be just a little review of my setup here. As you can see, I have dual screens, and my computer over here is an ultra compact gaming computer with a Corsair RGB fan in the front I can control. So yeah, I'm not gonna go too much into that. It'll be another video. So yeah, if you guys like the video, then just like it. And if you guys really like the video, then subscribe for more content from me, since this is my first video. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.